Victor rodent traps were groundbreaking in 1898, and they're still the #1 tool in a PCO's toolkit. But a large-scale rodent control plan requires a modern system. The Victor V-Link system offers technicians reliable control and unmatched efficacy. V-Link tunnel traps are built for commercial environments, waterproof, and kill quickly and humanely. They're also versatile. Not only are V-Link traps the most reliable on the market, each trap is connected by the longest range network in the industry. The V-Link app allows you to receive notifications for each kill, giving you real-time insights into activity at each location. With each kill, the system's extensive data is expanded to improve your rodent control program. Traps can be used inside or outside, and in hard-to-reach places. Instant notifications mean less time spent checking empty traps and more time for identifying and controlling the problem. Reclaim your efficiency, safety, and peace of mind with the V-Link Pest Network from Victor.
Chirp and the Chirp app are a smart trapping system that counts each pest your A24 trap kills, so you'll always know you're getting on top of the problem. When you check your trap, Chirp sends the data to your smartphone using Bluetooth technology, which means that even without phone reception or Wi-Fi signal, you're able to collect your data. Chirp records the date, time, and temperature when your trap was triggered. Even if you haven't seen any pest under your trap, you'll know how many you're catching. The Chirp app lets you share your trap, which means others can help you maintain it and monitor your success too. Perfect if you're working with your community to solve a pest problem together. And with the heat map, you can see how your individual trapping success adds up to something much bigger for conservation. The Chirp app will guide you through the installation of your A24 with step-by-step instructions. Plus, it will send notifications when the gas canister needs changing or when you need new lure. Chirp. Smart trapping made easy.
Remove the battery cover. Insert 4 AA batteries. Replace the battery cover. Bait the trap through the entrance, placing a small amount of peanut butter, bacon, dry pet food, or nuts on or along the back wall. Be sure to use a Q-tip, toothpick, or another tool to bait so your scent is not transferred onto the trap. Place the trap where you've seen signs of rodent activity or along the wall where rodents primarily travel. The trap should be placed lengthwise against the wall, with the entrance hole nearest the wall. Turn on the trap. A red light will blink once, showing the trap is working properly. A blinking red light will indicate a kill. Dispose of the dead rodent, bait, reset, and place for continued rodent control.